48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. Law 2, never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies.
Today we're diving deep into the world of power dynamics with one of my favorite authors, Robert Greene. We'll be unpacking the second law of power. Law 2 is all about the art of discernment when it comes to trust and alliances. Let's break it down. Greene advises us to be cautious when putting too much trust in friends. While it's natural to lean on our inner circle, sometimes they might not have our best interests at heart. Friends can be unpredictable, and power dynamics can shift within those relationships. Learning to use your enemies strategically is equally important. These could be competitors, rivals, or anyone who opposes you. By maintaining a certain level of tension and rivalry, you stay sharp and adaptable, constantly striving for improvement. This law teaches us to master the balance between trust and skepticism, alliances and competition. It's about cultivating a deep understanding of the power dynamics at play in every situation and using that knowledge